So today, as you maybe noticed, I'm not in a Dennis, I'm on a Mercedes Econic 20 plate Econic. A usual truck that's on this run, that's in the garage, got a wee bit of work done to it. I've just shut this window a wee bit. Yeah, our usual truck is usually Elite Plus that we use on this run. It's in the garage, got a wee bit of work done, so we're in the higher motor. So a 2020 Econic. I quite like these actually. I do prefer the Econics over the Elite. It's got a better turning circle than the Dennis, and I just find the steering a bit lighter, and also you get a better rake on the steering wheel. So I prefer these. I think most of the loaders do prefer the Elites, mind you, but no, I prefer the Mercs over the Dennis. So, as I say, blue bin still. I quite enjoyed my wee bit of loading yesterday. Nice wee change. One thing you've got to watch out with the Mercedes Econic is that it's a normal bodied size, so it's a normal width bin lorry, whereas all our Dennises are the narrow bodied trucks. So you get kind of used to that kind of narrower bodied bin lorry, but this one's a wee bit wider. You just got to watch it a few times. Right, we'll get off this busy road now into one of the side streets. Better. So yeah, this has been a normal size body on this Mercedes, whereas our Dennis Elites have the narrow bodied option. I think that's the only reason that our council buys the Dennis, is the fact that they want to buy the narrow bodied. I don't really see the point myself. I think we could get a buy with a normal sized bin lorry, but the powers that be have decided that they want a bin truck with a narrow body on it. So hey ho, that's why we're stuck with Dennises. Let's face it, they're not renowned for their reliability, that's for sure. Or their build quality, they're not the best. The new Scanies look pretty good, but I'll never have a shot of one of them. So I think I'll be going out later on today and have another wee shot at loading. I quite enjoyed that wee shot yesterday. A wee change. This has got a huge windscreen on it. It's one of the good things about the Econics, you'll get fantastic visibility. So back to my loading yesterday. There's quite a lot of guys, a lot of the drivers with South Ayrshire Council were loaders. Every year the council puts through 3 or 4 guys through their HGV test. Every year they do it. So what you find is a lot of the guys that are drivers with this council were loaders at one time. Then they made the step up to become an HGV driver. Whereas I was one of the guys that came straight in as an HGV driver. I was never a loader. Hence you can tell when I'm putting bins on. But I was never a loader, I was always a driver. But there's quite a few of the guys were, as I say, were loaders to begin with, and then they got their licence through the council. So I'm enjoying this Merc. Just the steering's lighter, and you can turn the steering wheel over a wee bit more car-like. Well, maybe not quite car-like, but you can get a better rake on the steering wheel. I find the Elites, and especially the Elite Pluses, the steering wheel is very, very flat, and I don't like that. So these you can get a wee bit more of a rake, which is more to my taste. And the steering's definitely lighter than the Dennis Elites. Other than that though, and it's got a better turning circle for sure. One of the downsides is a step on the floor, was the Dennis is all flat, which is certainly easier. You can move about the cab with a Dennis easier than the Mercedes. And the seats, the seats aren't as good as the Dennis either. Bit smaller. I'll show you the truck. There you go, 70 plate Econic. So yeah, that's the truck. Just go back round and I'll see a look again. Ah, and then left. Left or left?
Cross street. Another 25 off and out the base, and I'll be on straight side. Your truck can Z. Go for now and you've got the big back middle. They're really crap. Even Alan says it, I know.
Alright. Right, well, a wee bit of loading. Again, just a wee change for me. I quite enjoyed yesterday, so I thought I'd do it again today. There you go, you can admire a quality Mercedes Econic. What's for dinner today? Chicken madras. Chicken madras. A wee bit of duck. A wee bit of duck.
Duck?
Duck, aye. A wee bit of duck.
Eh? Shop bought duck or
You didn't shoot it myself, aye.
No, I know, you could have put it in the boot.
No, it's at a shop. That seems heavy-minded.
You always had the bag at the boat. There's always a black bag at the boat.
It's alright. Some people just cannot recycle. Actually, just reverse right back, we'll just get ease the way out actually. Save any hassle.
What was that? I was just being catty, I was just kidding when I was being catty.
It says you're a shite driver, Paul, that's what you're insinuating.
Paul, I was having a laugh.
I know, need at all, is there?
I think that could really knock somebody's confidence.
Oh.
Nearly there, nearly there. Right, well I think that'll be enough loading film for one day I think. I'll put these 2 bins on and that'll do me. Maybe the message is finally getting through. Well, may have spoke too soon there. Right, last 2 bins. Right, well I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, something different. Wee bit of loading from me. And I'll see you on the next one.